Run up on your chain, I'm like boo gang. Run up on your chain, I'm like boo gang. Run up on your chain, I'm like boo gang. Run up on your chain, I'm like boo gang. Run up with these band, I'm like Usain. Drop when I step, it's a ball man.
Yo, which AutoZone were we at? Cause I'm at one in Fontana and I don't see what the heck I saw. I don't remember what it is that I saw. Well, we were at O'Reilly's. Okay. Alright, then most def, I'll go to O'Reilly's then. Cause they have like this Rust-Oleum like peel coat.
No one knows me like the piano.
Down to the 10, get off on the boat. O'Reilly's, we're here. We made it, so.
People call
See what we want to find right here, boys. Duplicolor, custom wrap, removable coating. I got 2 cans of that.
You gonna wrap, man? What you wrapping up?
We're gonna see how it turns out on the roof of my car.
Awesome.
no one knows me like the piano.
Go to the back room. It's true.
No, alright guys. Keep an eye out for that. I spent $21 on that. 21. Alright. This was $21.53 for Duplicolor custom wrap removable coating. Okay, it says it's gloss midnight black. We're gonna see if it's actually gloss. I just wonder if it'll look good, you know what I mean? Like, so I think with like the cost of like cleaning materials for your car, I think you could like call this a wrap for under $50. Tape off to here and then go all the way.
Tape?
No, I didn't buy tape.
Wait.
2 cans should be enough to do the top, right? We didn't measure anything. We kind of just like guesstimating here. I mean.
No one knows me like the piano. You show me I had something. People call on.
It says on here, surrounding areas do not have to be masked off. After application, simply remove the product from some areas if it is not desired by peeling or wiping. Yeah, I don't want to do that. So we're just gonna mask it. We're gonna mask it all off just to be safe. By the way, if you guys don't know who that is, that's Static Teggy. That's my brother Leo. If you follow me on Instagram or anything else, you would know that. Well, this tape was a fail, so we're gonna do 1 layer and just see how that turns out. Okay? Okay. You know what's crazy? I'm talking and I'm not like filming myself talk, so I don't know when I'm gonna be able to tell and edit it. It's gonna be annoying. Everything has been taped off to the best of our ability. Leo cleaned everything. Everything's pretty solid, you know what you ask me? It looks pretty. So we're gonna attempt, keyword is attempt, to lay down the first coats. I have no idea how this is gonna go. I haven't seen any videos on this. I didn't even know that they made this paint until yesterday. So I was shopping with this dude and I was like, oh, no way.
Oh, you gonna go that way? Light coats, bro.
You might have to touch some stuff up then. I don't know.
You gotta drip.
To be honest with you, bro, I saw that. You're so lucky that
This is weird.
it didn't. Alright, we're gonna let it dry for like 20-30 minutes and I'll be back down somewhere. We've already started applying the second coat. Only problem is I think in our cleaning we weren't thorough enough. There's flaws everywhere. Look, I'll just show you guys.
Yeah, show them this side. filled with balls.
Yeah, there's like flaws in like where it like sits at, how we have like bubbles and like there's just lots of just like look at that. You know, lots of flaws, lots of misconceptions. We're hoping that within a couple like layers or so, it'll clean it up. We aren't expecting like a miracle to be worked. Yeah, so it's not perfect, but under 50 bucks might be kind of decent. We're gonna let this coat dry for another 20 minutes and let you know then. We have a problem. Ran out of paint and time. It's 4 o'clock and the dog has an appointment at 5. So we're just gonna see how it came out. Yeah, there's lots of overspray on it, but I honestly think that if we go over it like again, just like a nice clean coat, it wouldn't be a problem.
Yeah.
So overall,
SO22 for that long?
yeah. Overall, it came out pretty good. There's slight areas that have like overspray marks. So I'm gonna get another can and just touch it up, but there is a gloss to it. And it's not bad. If I like clean up the car and stuff, that looks pretty solid. So just like little discrepancies. But overall, I recommend. Hey Lynn, we did this all for under 50 bucks. It's crazy. I know what I forgot. Hit that thumbs up button for me if you're rocking with me. Hit that subscribe button if you're really rocking with me. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay up and stay solid.
I'm like Moo, like a soldier, you know yo, bitch, yo, Moo, like a soldier, you know yo, bitch, yo.
Yeah, we aren't expecting a miracle to be worked, but we're just hoping that it'll be salvageable. You know what I mean? And this shit, I'm leaning, bro.